Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and if you had thundering, that is because it's about to pour down raining. I have a Dollar Tree haul, and a lot of this is just some extra little school supplies for my grandson, as well as, well, it's mainly school supplies, but just a couple things. Other than that, they might have been crafty, but, you know, it's weird that, you know, when I was in school, we had just to buy your regular stuff that you needed for at home, but now you gotta buy hand sanitizer, napkins, Ziploc bags. I just think that's so weird that schools don't have any basic stuff anymore. You know, you gotta supply the school with stuff, but times have really changed. But anyway, they have 24 sticks, glue sticks. I don't know what they glue that much, but apparently they do. They needed the 24 pencils, and this was 16 with extras in it, so that wasn't bad. But you know, Walmart also had a sale, and I got stuff from there too, and they also had, you know, the tax-free weekend. So I did get some chalk, and that's primarily for me, for my little chalkboard when I want to write notes up there. Some dry erase markers. They want them in black, but they didn't have black, so that's what I got. Well, they want one skinny set and one thick set, both in black, but these are the only ones I could find from everywhere. They had to have a couple bottles of hand sanitizer, you know, the scissors. He just saw this Ninja Turtle pen and just thought that was cool, so he had to get that. He wanted some more pencil sharpeners. They had tons of pencil sharpeners. This is just a detangle brush. I just got that. And I needed a pack of 8 highlighters, so I got that one, so it's different colors. They have colored pencils. And actually they had these on sale at Walmart for 50 cents. So I got some more, because he does a lot of drawing anyway. They have a couple packs of the 24 packs of crayons. He wanted the 64 pack because this one had the hole in it, the sharpener. So he got that. And then I got some more removable dots for some swaps, some tags. I thought, oh gosh, who was it? I just forgot. Oh, she was decorating these tags. Oh Lord, I watched so many videos now I can't remember who was it. But anyway, was it Colorful Mind? Who was decorating these tags? I just forgot, my bad. But anyway, I got an idea from them to decorate me some tags. And then I picked up some more of the rings. I don't listen to you out this time of the year, but I always get them from many albums that I make in tag swap. So these are the small, it's a 10 pack, 1 inch, 1 1/4 is 8 pack. And then the 2 inch are 6. And I already took some out from my swap that I was doing. And a pencil bag. They have a fabric pencil bag because they can't use plastic. I don't know why, but they can't. And I got some of the little crayon boxes. And then, oh my gosh, whose channel was I watching? And they was using these crayon boxes to decorate. Oh my gosh. And I was like, yes. And put embellishments in them. So I've got several of these. Because I would like this, so easy to decorate. That would be so cool. Just cover it with some paper and then put some embellishments inside of it. So that is my intention to do that. So in that way, shipping, you know, sturdier than a paper one. But anyway, so I think that is all of my Dollar Tree stuff that I got. Yeah. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you, look at that lightning. I'm getting off this video now because it's lightning out there. And I'm thundering. Anyway, I dare you to be creative. Take care, God bless. Bye-bye.